So guys, kuleli viki ke uNdlovu uqalile ke uyakhokha for amacala akhe. Uthi uvika lokhu kuphinde kuvele lokhu. Useke wayibiza nangu president ke, so guys ama challenges ke angangesikhundla ke ahlezi kusona. Umthembu ke finally ke umenzelile uMamzobe umusa. We are hoping ukuthi ke she will fully be restored. Ngeke nje asabuyela kulezi indlela zakhe zobumnyama nezokuthakatha. Mabusi and umkhululi will take a trip to Mozambique ukuyogeza ifeli mnyama lokuzibulala eselokhu lahlasela ke uNomafu. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you for what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 8th to the 12th of July 2024 on Monday. Difa and his daughter struggles as they watch potential buyers lay claims to their beloved homes. Zisebenzele hand in Ntombi's please short-lived on Tuesday. Ndlovu's chicken come home to roost and he resort to lies. Sipamandla's prayers get answered and the Gumede face a scare with Mamzobe on Wednesday. Vulindlela faces the biggest battle in his young life. Mthembu shows up to the Gumedes in a big way. Ndlovu throws the council under the bus and leaves to fight another day on Thursday. Mabusi threatened to curse the gods. Ndlovu tried to salvage the crisis he created for himself, but to no avail. Nobuntu is relieved of her guilt on Friday. Mabusi has to leave home to get rid of a dark cloud. Mamzobe's new leaf is rebuffed, and Ndlovu's chicken come home or come back to roost and hunt him. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. So guys, kuleli viki ke